I'm back. What if we woke up every morning? That's the first thing we said. I'm back. Lookout day. No matter what happens, I'm gonna enjoy every experience. Let's enjoy the experience of 10 minutes of natural movement. Tap the heel, swing the arms, gradually start to twist into a little bit. Let's boost our mood and elevate our energy. Bring real presence, open-mindedness to whatever this session might bring, because we're back. Daily movements, movement that matters. Twist a little bit more. Let's get the body warmed up. Really gonna wake up our joints today. Swing those arms. Lean back a little bit more. All right, we're getting warm. Step to the side, behind, and side twist. You modify every movement to suit your needs. Maybe you really feel like going quickly. Go for it. Maybe you want to do this seated. You could go side to side, seated in your chair. No problem. Choose your own adventure. Can step it out a little further, bend to the side a little deeper. Connect your breath to each movement. Move with awe. Awe deficiency disorder, I heard someone say. How true is that? We need more awe. Get outside into nature. Awe of the beauty. We've had an exceptional amount of rain. Cold temperatures considering summer. And many places are suffering with so much heat. But oh wow, with all this rain, how green it is here. Incredible. Okay. Reach up. Squat down a little bit. Circle the arms all the way up. And come down as deep as you can. Let's go. Building incredible mobility, strength. Consistency, the heart, the joints, the body, love, daily, consistent physical activity, consistency over intensity. Really connect your breath to the movements here. Maybe we go a little bit quicker. Couple more. Brilliant. Let's open up the chest. Clap. Curl the leg up. Head up high. How far can your arms reach back? How close can you get to kicking your own butt? Maybe you come up onto your tippy toes. Build some balance. You can go slow. You can go quick. That's what's great about movement. Find the movement that works for you. It's the movement that matters, not what we call it. Just move. Okay, couple more. Really reach it back as far as you can. Get those shoulder blades together and right into it. Make a fist. We're gonna row. Real strength. Let's tap the foot out to the side as well. Point the toe. Pull those arms back with strength. Reach out as far as you can. Spread the fingertips when you come out. Come into a fist when you come in. Head up. You can sink down a little bit more deeply if you like. Breathe into each movement. Let's go. Watch the monkey mind. I should be somewhere else. What am I gonna have for dinner tonight? How was dinner last night? No, no, no. Right here, right now. All your energy, all your attention. Sink. Couple more. Yes. Okay. Let's move laterally with real intention. We don't want to fall off the edge here, which I've already done. Step to the side and reach. Reach and push the hand. Feel all the energy. You can go more quickly. You can do it with absolute presence. Get that heart rate up. Oh yeah. Turn the neck. Guess you'd be turning your head, huh? Yeah. Have a laugh, have a smile, no matter what it is. Embrace the nature of things. A rattlesnake has its nature, as does a butterfly. Don't want them to change, that's just their nature. Last one. Okay, let's just shake for a moment. Really loosen the arms. Oh, building circulation. Come the balls of your feet. Head up high. Oh, yes. Reach back. Sink down a little bit. Flow with the arms. Look up to the sky. Twist as deeply as you can. We're lubricating all of our joints. We can move through our day with such strength, with such mobility. Go for long walks, carry our groceries home, run for a bus if we need. Oh, it's all accessible. We just show up for ourselves every day. Okay, the endorphins are flowing, feeling good. I should try a silent workout one time. What if it's possible for me? Reach back, reach back. And brilliant. Give yourself just a little hug. Want to open the chest up. Bring your feet closer together. Squat down. Open up. Strong legs, sharp mind. You can slow this down. Connect to your breath. We're building this strength, but we really can boost our mood and energy every time we show up, even just for 10 minutes. Look up. Get down as low as you can. Maybe you sink a little deeper. You open a little wider. Connect to your nature. Strength. Patience. We're working on it. No time to be angry. We're really working on it. Last one. Let's finish. Let's build some balance. Bend down 1 foot. Reach with both hands. Let's just get started like this. Come on up. Now, if you like, when you reach down, close your eyes. Come on, back up, open the eyes. When you're reaching down, close and then open. Close your eyes. Open for a moment. Close your eyes. Open. Challenge yourself. We use completely different stabilizing muscles when we close our eyes. It changes everything. No need to close your eyes if you're not interested. You could keep them closed the entire time. Maybe you reach down a little bit further. Maybe you stumble. Wonderful. Most falls happen in the dark, at night. It's all about functional fitness, increasing the quality of our lives. We do things when it's dark. A couple more. Oof. We're gonna stumble. Embrace the stumble. Embrace the nature of things. Oh, let's just take one moment and be. Oh. Notice the tingling in your fingertips. Just take in everything you've just done. Breathe. Just be for a moment. The beating of your heart. Shake it out. Move through your day with intention, ease, and a deep appreciation for the nature of things. There's going to be difficult things, challenging things. Embrace it all. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.